My name is Adam Smith. I'm the Director of Strategic Marketing at Haltec Corporation. Haltec is a leading manufacturer in the U.S., but globally supplies tire valves across multiple industries, as well as inflation and torque solutions. The company has over 250 employees, and we service over 132 countries globally.
Multiple generations have worked here at Haltec and continue to. We are a family-owned company.
I'm Brooks Bizon. I'm the CFO for Haltec Corporation. Here at Haltec, we use Avatax, Avalara exemption, certificate management, and managed returns. It makes all in one for our own tax department managed through Avalara. Prior to Avalara, tracking down exemption certificates was really time consuming. Now we can just click a button. It sends them a reminder and they can upload it right away. Avalara has saved us hundreds of hours a year on tax compliance. Partnering with Avalara has helped increase our customer satisfaction by having our customers know that they're getting billed the correct sales tax every time they buy a product from us. The integration with SYSPRO and Avalara have streamlined our business processes tenfold.
Avalara and SYSPRO will continue to be a key resource for Haltec as we move forward, allowing the accounting departments to invest more time in cost accounting and other ways to better the business.
The ultimate Avalara benefit is the time that you save on your day-to-day and the compliance side to making sure that your rates are correct. Haltec before Avalara and after Avalara has changed immensely. I feel like we're more efficient now than ever before with making sure that everything is accurate, correct, and done on time.